Welcome to part 2. So today we are going to learn about attribute and element tag. So let's start. The opening and closing tag with its content are said to be elements. Like all HTML tags are said to be elements, and the content between tags are said to be element content. Like attributes are tools which provides additional information about an element. And remember one thing about attributes, that attributes will only be used on opening tag like src, source tag, style tag. Now we are going to learn about attributes with href and image tag. So now let's start with href. For href, write simply r tag, and inside r tag of the opening pair, write href attribute, which is an important attribute usually used to provide links. Like here, between the quotation mark, I'm providing the link of Google. And between r tag, you can give the text for your link. Like here, I'm writing Google. Save the file. Refresh the browser. As you can see here, the Google in a link form, and when you click on Google, Google will open, as you can see here. Here you can use another attribute named title, usually used to give title name, and it will be displayed while hovering on HTML element. Like here I am giving it's a Google link. Save the file, refresh the browser, and when you hover on HTML element of hreflang link, you can see here it's a Google link is clearly showing. As you can clearly understand the title attribute main work. Now let's come on the image tag. For image tag, you will use img, and you can simply end it here, as there are very few tags in HTML that will be closing at the same time, like image tag, breakline tag, and so on. So for image, you will have to write src, mean source, which will provide the source of an image. So download any image and provide that image on the same folder where you have placed your index.html5. So now there's two things important. There's two things important for your image source. One, the image name, and second is the extension of the image. For checking the image extension, you will have to right click on image, click on properties. Here you can see the image extension. So here .jpg is present, so I will write here .jpg with the image name apple.jpg. Save the file and refresh the browser. As you can see here, a huge image of an apple. So if you want to adjust this image, you will have to use some new attributes like width. Here I am setting the width 20%. Height attribute, for height, here I am setting the 50% for height. Save the file and refresh the browser. As you can see here, now Apple image is adjustable and perfectly clear. Now here you can also use the same title tag. like it's an Apple image. Save file, refresh the browser, and when I hover on Apple image, you can clearly see it's an Apple image is showing due to title attribute. Now HTML has its own comment syntax. Like if you want to comment above some code, so you will write like this for comment. Here I am writing href attribute. So comments usually developers use for remembering some things. So that's the second part. I hope you like it.